Still waiting for Windows 11 25H2 to show up in Windows Update? There's a faster way. If your PC is already running Windows 11 24H2, you can upgrade to 25H2 using the official enablement package with just one small file and one restart. No ISO, no USB, and no reinstall. Let's check your Windows version first, then I'll show you exactly which file to download and how to install it. Hi everyone, welcome to the CNATT channel. Before we start, remember this only works if your PC is already running Windows 11 24H2. If your PC is on Windows 11 23H2, 22H2 or Windows 10, this package will not upgrade you directly to 25H2. You need to upgrade to Windows 11 24H2 first. This works because Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 use the same core system files. The enablement package simply turns on 25H2 with one restart. This can also help some unsupported PCs that are already running Windows 11 24H2 because it moves the system to 25H2 without launching Windows Setup, which may avoid some setup checks like TPM or CPU requirements. First, let's check your current Windows version. Press Windows R, type winver, then press enter. If it says version 24H2, you can continue. If it already says version 25H2, your PC has already been upgraded, so you don't need to install this package. What if it says 23H2 or older? Stop here. This method is not for your current version. Before installing the package, I recommend installing the latest Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, then restart your PC if Windows asks you to. This matters because the enablement package requires Windows 11 24H2 to already have the required cumulative updates installed. Now go to the video description and download the correct enablement package. You'll usually see two versions, x64 and ARM64. Most regular laptops and desktop PCs use x64. ARM64 is only for ARM-based Windows devices. If you're not sure, right-click the Start button, select System, and check the system type. If it says x64 based PC, download the x64 package. If it says ARM based PC, download the ARM64 package. Once the file is downloaded, open your downloads folder. You should see the MSU file. The file name may include KB5054156 and it may look similar to this. If you downloaded the ARM64 version, the name will include ARM64 instead. Now double-click the file. Windows Update standalone installer will open. Click Yes to install the update. Now wait while Windows installs the enablement package. This should be quick because it only enables 25H2 on a system that is already running 24H2. When the installation finishes, click Restart Now. After your PC restarts, sign back into Windows. Now let's confirm that the upgrade worked. Press Windows R again, type winver, then press Enter. The dialog box should now show Windows 11 version 25H2. If you see 25H2, the upgrade is complete. If the update does not install, check these things. First, make sure your PC is running Windows 11 24H2 because this package only upgrades 24H2 to 25H2. Second, install all available updates from Settings, Windows Update, Restart, and try again. Third, make sure you downloaded the correct package. Use x64 for most PCs. Use ARM64 for only ARM-based Windows devices. And if your device is managed by a school, company, or organization, update policies may block the installation. After upgrading to 25H2, go back to Windows Update and check for updates one more time. This makes sure your system gets the latest security updates and fixes for Windows 11 25H2. And that's it! You've upgraded Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2 using the enablement package. No ISO, no USB, and no reinstall. If this helped, check the video on screen for more Windows 11 update and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.